Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money on Envato for beginners. This is a fantastic opportunity to earn passive income by promoting digital assets and creative tools that millions of designers and creators use every day. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to elements.envato.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you enter your credentials to access the platform. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding with the affiliate setup. After logging in, scroll down the homepage until you find the option that says Become an Affiliate. This is typically located in the footer section of the page, so keep scrolling until you spot it. This link is your gateway to joining Envato's affiliate program and starting your journey toward earning commissions. Once you've found it, click on See Programs. This will take you to a new page where Envato displays several affiliate options available to you. Each program has its own structure, commission rates, and terms, so it's important to take your time here. Review every detail carefully to understand which program aligns best with your audience and promotional strategy. Whether you're planning to promote through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media, choosing the right program will maximize your earning potential. After reviewing all the options, select the affiliate program that suits your needs and click Join Program. This is where you officially express your interest in becoming an Envato affiliate. The platform will guide you through the next steps to complete your application. Next, click Sign Up to begin the registration process. You'll be taken to a page where you need to confirm your agreement with Envato's terms. Scroll down until you see a checkbox beside the statement that reads, "I have read and accepted Envato's offer." Make sure you check this box as it's a mandatory step to proceed. Once you've checked it, click Continue. Now you'll be prompted to select your sign-up option. Envato offers several convenient ways to register, including signing up through Apple, Facebook, Google, X, LinkedIn, or directly with Impact.com. Choose the option that's most convenient for you and follow the prompts to complete your registration. This step links your chosen account with Envato's affiliate platform, making it easier to manage your earnings and track your performance. Once you've completed the sign-up process, Envato will send you an email confirmation. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the email notifying you that your request has been approved. This approval process can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on Envato's review process. Keep an eye on your inbox and be patient while they verify your application. And there you have it. You've successfully applied to become an Envato affiliate, and you're now on your way to earning money by promoting creative resources. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.